In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an Airtable API key. To begin, head over to Airtable in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the Airtable homepage, the process is pretty straightforward, but it helps to know exactly where to look so you can move through it smoothly. From the main Airtable screen, click on your profile icon. This is typically located in the upper area of the interface and opens the account-related menu. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. The profile menu is where Airtable groups settings, account tools, and developer-related resources. After opening your profile menu, click on Builder Hub. This section is Airtable's area for developers and users who want to work with integrations, automations, or the API. If your goal is to connect Airtable with another app or service, this is the right place to start. Once you're in the Builder Hub, click on Personal Access Tokens. This is the modern way to create Airtable credentials for API access. In many cases, Personal Access Tokens are used instead of older account-wide API keys because they let you control permissions more securely and more precisely. On the Personal Access Tokens page, click Create Token. This opens the token setup screen where you'll define the details for the new token. Next, click on the name field and enter a clear name for your token. It's a good idea to choose something descriptive, such as the app, workflow, or integration you plan to use it for. That makes it much easier to recognize later if you create multiple tokens for different projects. After naming the token, click on the section labeled "With this token, you will be able to." This is where you choose the token's permissions and access scope. Be careful here, because these settings determine what the token can do inside Airtable. In general, you'll want to grant only the permissions you actually need. Keeping access limited is a good security practice and helps protect your data. Once everything looks correct, click Create Token. Airtable will then generate your token for you. At that point, make sure you copy the token and store it somewhere safe, because credentials like this should be handled carefully. Avoid sharing it publicly or placing it in unsecured documents. If you ever think it has been exposed, you can return to the Personal Access Tokens area and replace it. And that's how to get your Airtable API key, or more accurately, your Airtable Personal Access Token.